not launching won't launch on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Steam completely. Restart your computer. Launch Steam as administrator. Try starting Limbus Company again. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click Limbus Company. Select Properties. Open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for the scan to complete. 3. Run Limbus Company as administrator. Navigate to the game installation folder. Locate limbuscompany.exe. Right-click the file. Select Run as administrator. Check if the game launches. 4. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel graphics software. Download the latest driver updates. Install the updates. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 5. Disable Steam overlay. Open Steam. Right-click Limbus Company. Select Properties. Turn off Enable Steam overlay. Restart Steam. Test the game. 6. Install Windows updates. Open Settings, go to Windows Update, click Check for Updates. Install all available updates, restart your PC. 7. Repair Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. Open Apps and Features. Find Microsoft Visual C Redistributables. Click Modify, select Repair, restart the computer. Launch the game. 8. Add the game to antivirus exclusions. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, select Manage Settings, add the Limbus Company folder to exclusions, relaunch the game. 9. Close background programs. Open Task Manager, close unnecessary applications, Discord, MSI Afterburner, Riva RGB software, recording software. Try launching the game again. Number 10. Reinstall Limbus Company, uninstall the game from Steam, delete any remaining game files, restart your PC, download and install the latest version, launch the game. Bonus fix. Press Windows R, type sfc/scano, run from an administrator command prompt. Wait for Windows to repair corrupted system files. Restart your PC. Launch Limbus Company again. These solutions can fix most Limbus Company not launching, won't start, startup crash, and black screen issues on Windows 11 and Windows 10 PCs.